Dear shareholders and members, we hope you are well and healthy. During the last days, we received a lot of encouragement and good wishes. This shows that we are one big family. Thank you for your support and for your trust. The corona crisis has hit the entire travel industry very hard, and Hapimag is also facing major challenges. By order of the authorities, we have had to temporarily close many resorts. Our Hapimag guests were unable to start their journey or had to interrupt their holiday prematurely. At the moment, we are focusing on crisis management. This means we are reducing costs and doing everything possible to minimize the impact on you and our employees. We have introduced short-time working in several countries and have applied for government assistance. It goes without saying that we are committed to supporting our shareholders, members, and employees during this period. We will continue to keep you up to date with newsletters.
We would like to take this opportunity to bring you good news in these difficult times. In these days, we have finalized the financial statements for the past year. 2019 was a good year for Hapimag. We can again report a positive result with a consolidated annual result of 6.7 million euros. We would especially like to thank our employees. Their commitment makes such good results possible. It is they who make the Hapimag community what it is during this period, a family that sticks together.
The coronavirus will also have an impact on the forthcoming Hapimag General Assembly. Like many other companies, we will be forced to hold the meeting without shareholders. We therefore ask you to use the opportunity to vote from home. You can cast your vote simply by post or online by the 22nd of April 2020 at the latest. All shareholders will receive the voting documents by post in the next few days.
Last but not least, we would like to thank you very much for your loyalty, for making Hapimag something special, for the fact that you are all part of our community and that we can be there for each other. The cohesion of our community is the basis for our success.
We wish you and your families much patience, perseverance, and most importantly, the best of health.
The next holiday is bound to come. We are very much looking forward to making you happy again. Thank you very much.